Hey, it's your girl QG. Yep, that's right. Queen of the Granite Knights. Now, if there's anything that I cannot stand, it's a messy brow. No, I cannot stand messy, rugged brows. So, since the age of 12, I've been using Nair to shape and maintain a clean brow. And now I'm going to show you how you can achieve such with Nair as well. So I always start off by shaping my brow the way I want it with my fingers, just trying to make sure I get it into the arch and the way I want it. And then I take the Nair and I take a Q-tip or a toothpick or something like that. I take just a little bit, and I put it where the stray hairs are. And I'm very careful about this because I love a neat brow, especially where the pointy ends are. I like to make sure that my arch is pretty smooth, and I just try to be as careful as I can. So just so you know, this stuff will burn, especially if you leave it on too long, so we got to make sure that we do not do that because we don't want it to burn. Yeah, so we'll just make sure that we're nice and neat with our arch and get the little stray hairs off the top and off the bottom. And just make sure everything's looking good. I think it's looking good so far. So we will wait for our 3 minutes and we'll come back and do what we're supposed to do. Alright, now it has been 3 minutes. This stuff is starting to burn, most definitely. And yeah, it's definitely burning. And sometimes you might even get a little bit of swelling depending on how long you've kept it on. But since we are going for the 3 minute mark, you should see little bits of hair, the little stragglies to come off. So let's make sure we take that off, and then we just shape it. Make sure we reshape and get the shape that we want. And yeah, we wipe that off. And what I forgot to record was I actually put water on it to make sure that the chemical is off of my face. I didn't show that, but that is what you are supposed to do. Put some water on it and just make sure you reshape it, and you see how smooth and how good that looks, or at least to me it does. And this is how I've been doing this for such a long time. I think it looks pretty good, and that is how you can achieve that look using Nair. Like I said, it will be a little swollen and burn just a little bit, but it'll go away very quickly. So I like it, and I hope you like it too. So you should give it a try. All right, bye.